Welcome to the Green Stock News Brief for Tuesday, June 17th. Here are today's top headlines. D-Wave Quantum has signed a memorandum of understanding with Yonsei University to promote quantum computing adoption in South Korea. The partnership will focus on joint research, talent development, use case development in fields like biotechnology and material science, and plans to install a D-Wave Advantage2 system at Yonsei University's Songdo campus. Planet Labs and the Tony Blair Institute for Global Change have completed a year-long pilot project to provide Zanzibar's government with satellite data, technical support, and geospatial training to improve decision-making in areas like infrastructure and disaster response. As a result, over 10 government agencies began integrating this data into their operations, identifying over 18,000 building footprints and enhancing flood-prone infrastructure by 20%. Richtech Robotics has announced that its AI-powered robot, Atom, has successfully served over 16,000 drinks at a cafe in Las Vegas since opening in February. Showcasing advanced NVIDIA-driven AI and dual robotic arms, Atom delivers consistent, efficient, and engaging service across a menu of beverages and desserts. Full Circle Lithium has signed new regional distribution agreements with major U.S. and Canadian fire safety companies to expand access to its lithium-ion battery firefighting agent. These deals mark a strategic shift toward leveraging regional expertise to commercialize the product across residential, industrial, commercial, and first responder markets, complementing an existing agreement with U.S. Fire Pump.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.